Hi there, please like and subscribe. Open settings. Keyboard Samsung. Keyboard toolbar. When the toolbar is turned off, these functions can be accessed by touching and holding the custom key. No. No settings. Okay. Swipe. Open settings. General management. To turn off. Okay. Samsung keyboard settings. Keyboard toolbar.